Okay, so if you haven't done so already, now's the time to whip through the 7 steps, which, like I say, should take you between 5 and 10 minutes. Don't procrastinate too much because, as you know now, all of the layouts and all of the themes are waiting for you after you sign up. And of course, as we add more in the future, which we intend to add lots more layouts and themes, they will instantly be placed into your editor for you to use at any time. So the key takeaway really from this episode is that you've had a play. You've had to play and experiment with just some of the tools, and you've had a preview of what's to come. And in doing that, you've now got a theme that's ready with some of the elements of your brand that's ready to be spun up onto the server. So this is where we ask you for your $9 to cover that hosting. The $9 includes this course, the 5-day challenge. It includes all the ongoing web school training, and it includes all of the mobile platform and all of the tools, which includes things like e-commerce with advanced options and variants, so you don't need to add any extra plugins there. That's all included. And we don't even take transaction fees on your online shop either. So that's pretty good value, I would say, for $9. The $9 covers your hosting and bug-free maintenance, which, like I said at the start, I suspect that's cheaper than you're paying already. So whip through the 7 steps. I'd be very grateful if you could help us out with that $9, and just know that $9 is a monthly payment, so you can cancel anytime. Just go into your My Account, which we're going to look at in episode 2. Just go into your My Account and hit this unsubscribe cancellation button there, and you won't be charged again. Now, the monthly fee does increase with the number of the pages, and that's still super cheap for hosting and all of the value of the platform that you get already. So just so you can see the pricing along here for those that monthly fee, as you can see, is super cheap also. So episode 2 is very quick. This was a more verbose episode because we wanted to get you signed up, but also give you a bit of a showcase and preview too. Next episode, super quick. We show you how to log in, but how to set up your account and your account for your teammates, because on day 4, we're going to be inviting your teammates to come in and help add content and drag and drop all these beautiful business design layouts that we're going to build in day 1, 2, and 3. Now, if you don't have copy on day 4, don't worry about it, because we've also got a bot in the editor that writes copy for you. So you can just hit a button, it will write your copy, and then you can go on and tweak things. So even if you don't have copy, our bots can even do that too. So that brings us to the end of episode 1, and I'll look forward to continuing the 5-day challenge with you in episode 2.